iPad has disadvantages compared to iPhone in app compatibility, portability, etc. Transferring photos between them isn't as straightforward as with USB cables on Android. However, this video guides you through 6 easy ways to transfer photos from iPad to iPhone. Method 1. How to transfer photos from iPad to iPhone via phone transfer. Many tools can transfer photos between devices, but iPad to iPhone transfer with a single click is not common. Phone transfer stands out, supporting iOS and Android, making cross-platform photo and contact transfer easy. Method 2. How to import photos from iPad to iPhone by AirDrop. Turn on AirDrop on iPad and iPhone. Enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Choose Contacts Only or Everyone. Open Photos on iPad. Tap, select. Choose Pics, press, Share. Select AirDrop. Select iPhone. Accept incoming images. Method 3. How to get photos from iPad to iPhone with iCloud. Connect iPad, iPhone to Wi-Fi. Use same Apple ID. On iPad, in Settings, your name. iCloud Photos. Enable iCloud Photo Library. On iPhone, enable iCloud Photo Library. Opt for Optimize iPhone Storage. Start Photo Sync. Method 4. How to transfer pictures from iPad to iPhone via iTunes. Plug your iPad into your computer via USB. Run the latest version of iTunes on the machine. Press the device avatar and go for this computer. After tapping Summary, hit Backup Now to sync your photos from the iPad to computer. Plug out your iPad and link your iPhone to the computer via a USB cable. Run iTunes and tap the device icon. Go to Summary and mark Photos. Check Sync Photos. Copy photos from XX. Proceed to all folders or selected folders. Tap Apply to sync pictures to the iPhone from the iPad. Method 5. How to transfer photos from iPad to iPhone via PhotoStream. Log into the same Apple ID on both iPhones. Enable PhotoStream in Settings, your name, Loud Photos. Enable Upload to My PhotoStream. Check Synced Photos in iPad, Photos, Albums, My PhotoStream. Method 6. How to import photos from iPad to iPhone over email. Open iPad's Photos app. Select images for iPhone transfer. Tap Share. Choose Mail. Input details. Press Send. Open Mail on iPhone. Save pictures from received email.